Hi, welcome to Palai Planet, and this is the question which we have for this video. The question says that a round table cover has 6 equal designs, and if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 35.35 per square centimeter. Right now, let's just work this out. How does it look like? So this is the center of the the round table, and there are 6 equal designs of the, and if the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters, so it looks like this in this question. Right, so these are the 4 parts, and let's draw one more line. So this is going to be the 6 equal parts. Right now, since we are having the 6 equal parts, so that means the angle of the each sector, right, the angle of the each sector, which is basically theta, will be equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by 360 degree. So that makes it 60 degrees, sorry. Right, so this is 60 degree. That means each of these angles are of 60 degree. This is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, this one is also 60 degree, and this one is also 60 degree. The radius of the cover is already given, that is 28 centimeters. So this is like 28 centimeter. Right now, what we need to find out is the cost of the designs, of the 6 designs, and that means we need to first get the area of one design. Now let us see what is this, what are they talking about, which design are they talking about. So they are talking about this area. So this is one of the design area, and when we connect this with this is the second, then we have third, then we have fourth, right? This one is fourth, this one is third, and this is say second and fifth, and finally we have this one as sixth. So we need to find out these areas, right? So let's find out for the one, and then we can simply multiply it by 6 and we will get it. So if I name this as O, the center of the circle, and this is A and this is B, and suppose this point is P, right? So we need to get this red area, the area of the red part, shaded part. So the area of one design will be equal to the area of the complete sector of OAPB, right? The area of sector O, A, P and B, this complete sector, right? This complete sector. So this is area of sector OAPB, and from this we will have to subtract the area of the triangle OAB, right? OAB, right? Now the area of the sector OAPB is very simple, because we've got the value of theta, we also know the radius, the value of the radius, and we can simply find this out. First, let's also now try and find out the area of the triangle. Now to find out the area of the triangle, suppose this is the triangle we are talking about, OAB. Now we already know that the area of any triangle, right, the area of any triangle is equal to half into base into height and in this case we don't know the base, which is AB, and we also don't know the height, right? So let's find that out. So first step is that we drop a perpendicular from center O onto the chord AB, and we know when this is a perpendicular, and if this is a perpendicular, that means, and suppose this is point X, right, then that means AX will be equal to BX, right? Now let's observe these two triangles, triangle OBX and OAX. Let's observe these two triangles, triangle OAX and triangle OBX, right? Now we'll clearly observe that, you know, AX is equal to BX, because that's the theorem of the circles. We know that whenever there is a perpendicular, perpendicular bisects the chord into two equal parts. And we also know that OA is equal to OB, because they are the radii of the same circle. They will always be equal. So OA is equal to OB. The third thing which we are seeing here is that OX, that's the common side of both the triangles. Now that means that both of these triangles are congruent. Both of these triangles are congruent, and when they are congruent, then that means this angle will be equal to this one, right? These two angles will be equal. That means each of these would be of 30 degrees. So this is going to be 30 degree. Similarly, this will also be 30 degree, right? And now let's look at this triangle again, and that's, you know, OAX. So we have got OAX, and if I want to take the value of sine 30 degree in this, that's equal to, sine 30 degree is equal to AX upon OA, right? Because AX is opposite and OA is hypotenuse. So, and we know the value of sine 30 degrees, so we can simply write 1 over 2 is equal to AX, we need to find out. So this is this, OA is 28, right? So now we can say that AX is equal to 14 centimeters, right? So this is how we have got the value of AX, right? So therefore, and if this is AX, the value of AX is 14 centimeters, that means the value of AB, the complete AB, will be double of this, right? So we can say that AB is equal to 28 centimeters, right? Now let us find out the height of the triangle. So for that we will, this was found out from triangle OAX, right? Now let's figure out the height from the triangle OBX. So the triangle OBX is, in that we know cos 30 degree is equal to, now cos 30 degree will be equal to OX upon OB. OX upon OB, right? So we already know the value of cos 30 degree, and that is square root 3 upon 2 is equal to, and OX we need to find out. The value of OB is 28. So we can say that the value of OX is equal to 14 square root 3 centimeters, right? So now that we've got the value of AB and also of OX, we can find out the area of the triangle. Now that's going to be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by base meaning 28. So that's 28, and h is height, so that's 14 root 3. So that's like 14 root 3, square root 3. So we'll write, so this is like 14, right? So this will finally come 196 multiplied by 1.7. So that's like 333.2 centimeter square, right? So now we have got this part, right? Now let's find out the area of the sector. So area of the sector OAPB, that's equal to theta upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square, and pi meaning 22/7, r meaning 28, so that's like 28 multiplied by 28, and theta was 60 degree, right? So I'll write 60 degree here. So this is like 6. Okay, so finally what we get here is 22 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 28 divided by 42. So what we get is 410.66 centimeters square. So now finally what we have got is the area of the sector OAPB. We also have the area of the triangle OAB, and now we'll put these values into this relationship and we will get the area of one design. So the area of one design is equal to 410 minus 0.66 minus 333.2 is equal to so that's equal to 77.46 centimeter square. Now that's the area of one design. So therefore the area of 6 design is equal to 77.46 multiplied by 6, right? So that will be like 77.46 multiplied by 6, so that's like 464.76 square centimeter. And now that we've got the area of all the of all the 6 designs, we need to simply multiply it with the rate and we will get the cost. So we can say that the cost is equal to 0.35 multiplied by 464.76 is equal to, okay, it's equal to rupees 162.666. Now that's the answer, final answer. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked and you also understood this video. Thank you so much. Keep watching these videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.